What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market to see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is up 0.62%, Nasdaq up 0.84%, S&P up 0.63%, and Russell 2000 also up on the day 0.87%. And here in this groups, what do we got on top? Real estate, basic materials, communication services, consumer cyclical, industrials, and then technology. On bottom, utilities, healthcare kind of lagging, but pretty much everything is in the green today. So like I said, everything is in the green today except healthcare kind of lagging there down on the day. We got Tesla actually closing flat on its face today after gapping up 2%. Amazon also a flat day. Meta up 1.59%. Google up 0.80%. Nvidia up 1.73%. And Microsoft also getting a flat day. And Apple stock up close to 1%. So on SPY ETF, what we got here, guys? Nothing but a whole bunch of chop today, just going back and forth. Gapped up, came down, did not close this gap, went back up, came down again, went back up, almost was getting that breakout above 443, but at the end, and not above 443. So if you look at this daily chart, it's gonna be really hard for SPY to break not only above 443, and I'm going to tell you guys why. We still have this down trend line. So far, it's not going above this trend line. And then we have two big moving averages right here. 50 SMA red line and also white line 20 SMA right in between 444 and 445. So you want to get more bullish on SPY. You want to see the first breakout above 443 and then possibly above these two moving averages right here. And that would be going above 445. And that's going to be a bullish signal for SPY for more upside all the way up to at least 450 in the short term. Now below 443, guys, watch out. Just like today, big support down here, 440 blue line 5 SMA, and if that gives up, you're going to see a flush all the way down to 433, and that could possibly establish a double bottom on SPY. And if not, you're going to see that price target all the way down here at 430. So we still didn't get that breakout on SPY, so just be cautious out there, buying and going long until we get that breakout right here around 444 to 445. And of course, we do have resistance at 443 also. You saw it all day. SPY getting rejected exactly right here from this trend line right here around 443. So on triple Q, it's up 0.75%, and this was a nice setup today to go and short triple Q. And this is exactly some of my Patreon members did today here live in Discord. And not only that, I only shorted SPX, and that was 95%, I think. So this one also was 200%, and you got exactly the top. If you showed it triple Q when I called it out this morning, right around 368, guys. And why? Because look at this, 367.87. I would say 368, and that is where white line 20 SMA is sitting, and Q's getting rejected from here, and then coming all the way down to 364. So not only 365, your puts when in the money, over the money, 365 puts, they were going for 200% right here. Now tomorrow, same thing, you want to watch 366, 364, 56 as a support, and just below that 360. A breakout at least going above white line 20 SMA. You want to see triple Q above 368, and then a quick trip up to 370 possible. And above that, guys, that's going to be a breakout for a move all the way back up to 380 plus to close that gap on top on triple Q. On DIA Dow Jones ETF, it's up 0.64% and getting rejected by this red line 50 SMA right here around 346 to 347. Now came down, and now if you look at my screen, we do have support down here 340, 360, and if that gives up, you're going to see a quick trip all the way down here to close this gap just below 340. Only way up here on DIA, getting above 346, and that holds right here. You're going to see a quick trip up to 350 and possibly even higher, putting in this higher low on that weekly chart right here on DIA. So far it's looking good, but we're not getting that breakout above 346 to 347, and only if that happens you're going to see a move up to 350 and possibly going higher. And who knows, guys, if this is actually holding right here on that weekly chart and we can get that breakout above 346 to 347, that could trigger a big bull rally in the market, and this one can explode all the way up to even 360 plus. So keep an eye on that. It's not out of the woods yet. I'm not saying that it's looking extremely bullish, but the moment we get that breakout, because we have this higher low on this weekly chart, as you can see right here, we got this higher low and then massive pump. Now coming back, we got a higher low right here. And so far, it's holding above that level. We just need to take out this big resistance right here around 346 to 347. And soon as that happens, there is going to be more upside on DIA. On IWM, it's up on the day, but it's getting rejected by this negatively sloping 13 SMA, this orange line on this daily chart, 186.27. So IWM needs to break 186.27, and only if that happens, you're going to see 188, and that's going to be a bull breakout on IWM for more upside up to 190, and who knows, even higher back up to 200. Now below 186, watch out for the support down here, 184.49, blue line 5 SMA, and soon as that gives up, it's going back down to 183, and below 183, guys, this thing can dump all the way down to 178 or even lower to this gap, 176.24. On VIX, it's down 3.64%. And just like I said before in my last video, it's holding $15 as a support. So this is where we saw VIX spiking before. And now it's coming down to that level again, $15. Now, if that gives up 15 tomorrow, guys, you're going to see a rally in the market. And this thing will come all the way down to 14 to this lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. Now above 15, watch out for a move back up to 16, 14, and then if we get that breakout on VIX, then watch out for a move up to $18. So far, all you gotta do on VIX, watch $15 as a support, and the moment this thing actually takes out 15, you're going to see a rally in the market, and VIX dumping all the way down to $14.